Hello, welcome back. Right, had a few weeks off, been busy, but we've got a swivel, so there she is. So I'm gonna unbox it and show you what it looks like. So I went for the FASP one from Van Pimps, although you can get it at Jennings I think, but Van Pimps was probably the cheapest, 120 quid I think it was. God, so there it is, my God, could do with a wipe. But anyway, that's it. So obviously I've just put the single seat in, so I'm going to take it out again now, but hey ho. So I'll get some bits and bobs together and we'll get the seat out. Right, well, I'm sure you all know how to take a seat out, but for them that don't, underneath we've got an occupancy sensor and we've got the seat belts. Obviously you just need to unplug them two there, and you've got 4 multi-splines, just whip them out, seat lifts off, base goes on, seat bolts back on, job's a good one. Right, I don't know if you can see what I'm doing there, can you? Right, hopefully you can see this. Right, 4 bolts out, seat out. Right, so as you can see, I've just laid it on top of the seat base and I've spun it just a little bit just to give you access to these holes here. So obviously there's 4, and the bolts that you used that were bolting your seat down, they just pop in there like so, 1 in each corner, dead easy. Same on the back too. So I'll get them whacked in and then we'll get the seat on. Right, and that's that. I bet that took what, 5 minutes, if that. So next job, put the seat on, get it bolted down, and that is more or less it. Then just slide your seat forward when you've got the 2 front ones in, and grab a couple more, and if you nip round the back, we've got the same again down there, look. But I had this last time actually. Can you see that pin there? Yeah, they need to drill a hole or cut that off, and there's one on that side as well, just in there. Can you see that? So it's exactly the same on the other one. Why they don't put a hole in there, I do not know. But anyway, I'll lift the seat off again, I'll cut them off, and then we'll go again. just like that. We've got them little nibs off down there, same on that side, so now it'll sit flat. Like I say, I don't know why they don't bloody do it, put holes in the actual base itself, which would make it a lot easier, but never mind. Right, seat back in. Right, so put the two fronts in, two rears. You get two options. You've got these little black ones. We've got a bigger one with a bigger head on it, but do they actually go through there, or do they sit underneath? I don't know. Let's have a look. So we'll find out. I know on the last van I did, you didn't get these little black bolts, you had the big ones, and one of them used to catch on the mechanism, so you had to turn the bolt upside down. But these seem a bit shorter, and because they're domed heads, I've got a feeling we might be alright. But I'll find out right now when I slide the seat back. Yep. So that actually slides back over them. So I'll nip them up. I think these ones are Allen keys. And they're the other ones you get. But they actually catch because they're too long. So if you do buy a FASP one and you do get the black ones, use the black ones and you shouldn't have any issues. Right, I'll get an Allen key and then we'll tighten that up. So the Allen head's a 6mm Allen key, and underneath's an 18mm spanner. Of course 18 is the only one I haven't got. I must have every single spanner apart from an 18, so I've had to come in with the old adjustable. Same thing. So just nip them up and we'll be good to go. And that is it. So in theory I should be able to sit on it. Just move you down a bit. I should be able to sit on there now and spin it round, so let's give it a whirl. Didn't have much flat on the floor, would be even easier, but there we go, spun round, then we can slide it back. Go down. Sorted. Another job off the list. Can't be many left surely. Right, I know that was a little short video, but little jobs getting done, so on to the next one next time.